Lesson: Ethical Considerations in Blockchain Governance. Blockchain technology has emerged as a transformative force across various sectors, promising to enhance transparency, security, and efficiency. However, the decentralized and immutable nature of blockchain necessitates rigorous governance mechanisms to ensure ethical considerations are met. Ethical considerations in blockchain governance are pivotal as they address issues of trust, accountability, and fairness, which are crucial for widespread adoption and compliance. The ethical landscape of blockchain governance can be navigated effectively through the application of practical tools, frameworks, and strategies designed to address real-world challenges. One of the primary ethical considerations in blockchain governance is the issue of transparency. While blockchain inherently provides a transparent ledger, the governance surrounding the technology must also be transparent to ensure all participants understand the rules and protocols. Transparency in blockchain governance can be enhanced by adopting frameworks such as the Accountability, Transparency, Participation, and Integrity Framework, which outlines clear guidelines for open communication and decision-making processes. Implementing this framework involves establishing clear communication channels and documentation practices that allow stakeholders to access information about governance decisions and processes. For instance, incorporating smart contracts that automatically execute and record governance decisions on the blockchain can provide an auditable trail, enhancing transparency and trust among participants. Another critical ethical consideration is ensuring fairness and inclusivity in blockchain governance. Decentralized systems often claim to democratize access, yet governance structures may still be dominated by a few entities, which can lead to biased decision-making. To combat this, blockchain projects can adopt the quadratic voting mechanism, a democratic voting system that allows stakeholders to express preferences more nuancedly than traditional voting. By implementing QV, blockchain projects can ensure that the voices of minority stakeholders are heard and that decisions reflect a broader consensus. This approach not only democratizes governance, but also fosters a sense of community and shared responsibility among participants. Privacy and data protection represent another ethical challenge in blockchain governance. While blockchain's immutability ensures data integrity, it can also conflict with privacy concerns, particularly with regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union. To address this, blockchain projects can implement privacy-focused protocols such as zero-knowledge proofs and confidential transactions, which allow for the verification of transactions without revealing underlying data. These tools enable blockchain systems to comply with privacy regulations while maintaining the integrity and transparency of the ledger. Additionally, conducting regular privacy impact assessments can help organizations identify potential privacy risks and implement mitigation strategies, ensuring compliance and ethical data handling practices. The issue of accountability in blockchain governance is intertwined with the aforementioned considerations. As blockchain networks often operate without central authorities, establishing accountability mechanisms is essential. One approach to enhance accountability is through the implementation of decentralized autonomous organizations, which utilize smart contracts to automate governance processes and decision-making. DAOs can be programmed to include accountability measures such as role-based access controls, audit trails, and penalties for non-compliance. By defining roles and responsibilities within the DAO, organizations can create a governance structure that holds participants accountable for their actions, thereby fostering trust and ethical conduct. Case studies illustrate the practical application of these ethical frameworks and tools in blockchain governance. For example, the Ethereum network's transition from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, known as Ethereum 2.0, highlights a commitment to ethical considerations such as environmental sustainability and inclusivity. By moving to POS, Ethereum aims to reduce the network's energy consumption significantly, addressing environmental concerns. Additionally, the POS model democratizes access by allowing more participants to engage in network validation, promoting fairness and inclusivity. Statistics further underscore the importance of ethical considerations in blockchain governance. A survey conducted by PwC in 2020 revealed that 84% of executives cited blockchain's transparency and traceability as key benefits, yet 45% expressed concerns about privacy issues. These findings indicate a clear demand for governance mechanisms that balance transparency with privacy, highlighting the need for frameworks and tools discussed herein. Practitioners can enhance their proficiency in ethical blockchain governance by adopting a step-by-step approach to implementing these tools and frameworks. Firstly, conducting a comprehensive stakeholder analysis can identify key participants and their interests, informing the design of inclusive governance structures. Next, organizations should establish clear governance policies and procedures, leveraging frameworks like ATPI to ensure transparency and accountability. Implementing technological solutions such as DAOs, smart contracts, and privacy protocols can further operationalize these policies, providing practical mechanisms to address ethical considerations. Regular audits and assessments, including privacy impact assessments and governance reviews, can ensure ongoing compliance and ethical conduct. In conclusion, ethical considerations in blockchain governance are essential for the technology's sustained growth and acceptance. By leveraging practical tools and frameworks such as the ATPI framework, quadratic voting, zero-knowledge proofs, and decentralized autonomous organizations, blockchain projects can address ethical challenges related to transparency, fairness, privacy, and accountability. Real-world examples and statistics underscore the effectiveness and necessity of these approaches, providing actionable insights for professionals seeking to enhance their expertise in blockchain governance and compliance. As the blockchain landscape continues to evolve, ongoing engagement with ethical considerations will be crucial to fostering trust and ensuring the technology's positive impact on society.